Hi, all. Today we'll install Ollama software. Just open any of your favorite browser. Just type Ollama, and if you scroll down here, you're able to see Ollama official website. Just click on here, Ollama, and click on download here. Okay, see guys, we are going to install on Windows 11. So if you want to install on Mac OS, so based on that environment you can select option and proceed further. If you want to install Linux or Windows, we are going to install on Windows. Okay, so this file is almost the 2 GB. So if you click on Windows, because see it will take some time, because I don't want to waste your time, because I have already downloaded. Just I'm clicking on pause. Okay, just I'm opening the downloads folder, because it's already downloaded. Just click on downloads, just click on this Ollama setup, double click once. It's just click on install guys. So it will take some time, because it depends on your system configuration. That's all guys, the installation is done. So now let me open now, like it's opening defaultly. Okay, just click on expand. Okay, go to settings here. Okay, so see, like if you want to use like models, like here you can use this one. Okay, cloud. Okay, we can select with cloud models also. Okay, so if you want to download here, downloads, like whatever the like new models, you need to check this one and go to there. Okay, now let me come back to the settings here, click on new chat, cloud models. Okay, so I'm going to log in with the Google, like I'm in the Gmail. I'm going to continue with Google here. So click on continue. Click on connect. Here you are able to see, right, device is connected successfully. Okay, so you can see here whatever the models you have, like if you are going to want to use the cloud models or new downloaded, and you can reuse that models. Okay, let me go to here, let me come back. Okay, let me click on sign in. We have already signed in here. It will take some time to reflect here. With this one, so this one also it's asking. I'll try with this game. See, how fast the data is coming, like comparing chat gpt also. These are the models like in the running in the backend. So this is how you need to configure. See why remaining models the data is not coming there, for that we need to use the subscription. Okay, and apart from that, here you have criteria for searching also, like context length, how much you can configure here based on how much you are going to configure them, use the data models here or LLM. Okay, so that's all guys. In the next videos we can try to configure with the download, and I'll download with this one model and we'll configure and we'll use. Thanks for watching.